If you have created a piece of document like this using Microsoft Word or other similar tools and you have saved it to become a PDF, and now you want to send it to your client or your friend to fill them out. Unless your client print out the document with a printer, otherwise this document, this PDF is not fillable. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fillable PDF for free. The tools I'm using today is called PDFEscape. It is a free website. You can directly upload the PDF doc that you like to edit over here without even need to sign up for an account. It's that easy. So let me show you how. Let's just go ahead and upload the file. Right, so it takes a couple of seconds. Now the file has been uploaded. Right. So over here, you can see you can choose from insert. There is a button called form fill. You click on the form fill. If you ask you what kind of form fill you like to create, you can create text, paragraph, checkbox, and other selection. So for example, if I want to create this name, then I use text. So I just click text, select, and I can drag and drop a form over here. Right, so you can see now I can key in the name here. Right, so of course you can create another one in the email box. Make it smaller, longer here. And if you have done, click here to disable. So you can see you can further move up and down, adjust the size a bit. So it's that easy to create a fillable form. On top of that, let's say if I have a comment box I want people to fill out, again I click on the form fill. I select paragraph this time. Select, drag the paragraph. Alright, so here you have it. Insert your comment. Right, click here to disable. Then for example, what if that I have some checkbox I want people to tick? So again, I go to form fill, create checkbox. Select, then I can draw a box over here. Right, you can see that will be a checkbox. So apart from having a check, you can also change some of the options by clicking the tools button icon over here. Right, instead of having a checkbox, you can change it to circle. Alright, it becomes a circle. Right, I can also create another one. Right, if I don't like circle, then I can change it to diamond. Okay, and I don't like dark color, I can change it to red. So you can see it's that easy to create a PDF fill out. On top of that, form fill do have other function. Like let's say you want to select certain clickable. Let's say I want to make this text a link which is clickable, that it will divert to a website. For example, I want people to download to my website LeikHong.com. This text will become clickable when you download the document later. Of course, PDFEscape do have other function. You can add anecdote, highlight that you want. You can just click on it and you can properly highlight the whole sentence like this. Right, of course you can create additional pages, rotate or delete off any item. So once you are done with your document, all you need to do is to click the save and also download this document back. So you can see from here right now, I can go ahead and enter my name. Right, and from here you can see, remember this is I click, it should go to a website directly. So it is directly linkable. Alright, that's you have it. How do you create a fillable PDF with PDFEscape? Go ahead and explore yourself. See you!